Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 Kubota L3560. So this is going to be their limited edition tractor. It is a 2019. Matter of fact, I went ahead and got that information. This tractor was sold new 10/23 of 19. So the emissions warranty is good until 10/22 of 24. The powertrain warranty is good from 10/23/2019 until 10/22 of 2025. So this tractor still has emissions and powertrain warranty as far as engine, transmission, hydraulic, everything there is still under warranty on this tractor. 214 hours. It is a one-owner tractor. Guy traded this in on something a little smaller, downsized his needs. Actually sold his property. This is a very nice, clean tractor. We've just done a complete and full service. All filters and oils have been changed. It is cab heat air, AM, FM radio. It's going to have the HDS system in it, auto throttle. Really, really a nice tractor. Very, very nice and clean. So we're going to start you up front here. We're going to go ahead here. I'm going to open up the grill guard so you can kind of see in underneath. So there's a little latch you pull down there. Hood comes up on a gas spring. We've just serviced this tractor. All filters and oils have been changed. Did change engine, air, fuel, hydrostatic, hydraulic filters. Everything there has been changed. It is 100% ready to go to work. Powered by a Kubota 4-cylinder diesel engine in this. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature, obviously. Hood is in very nice, clean condition. There is one little dent right here in the grill guard, but does have the fold-away grill guards in good shape. Does have on it here level gauge. Does have the bolt-on bucket hooks from boltonbuckethooks.com. And this guy did build this, and I left it on here. Very nice spill guard that he had made. Bolted right to the top of the flange of the bucket. Really nice, kept stuff from coming back at the tractor. It was very well built. Left it on there because I thought, hey, somebody will appreciate that. Does have your front and rear work lights, rear view mirrors, R4 tires up front. They are going to be a 10/16/5, and in the rear you're going to have 420 70/24s. And again, that is an R4 configuration. In the rear of this tractor, I don't know that he ever had much on the 3-point, but a few times. He does still have the Easy Link system, drawbars there, 540 PTO, rear work lights, rear turn signals. Again, does have all the stiff arm linkage. Everything is there the way it is supposed to be. I will have a very, very nice 2019 also. He did buy it new with that. It's a 3-point hitch finish mower. It's only been used a few times. We're going to take you over here to the other side of the cab, let you in. We will go ahead. I'll head to the other side here and come and explain some things. So, coming inside the cab of this tractor, you are going to see these are a very nice, very, very nice cab inside of these tractors. So you're going to have your low, medium, and high range, 4-wheel drive in and out, diff lock, independent brakes. Joystick loader control. You're going to have your hand throttle, up and down for your 3-point, up top here for your HVAC, which I'm going to show you here in a second. One nice thing with this tractor, they do have a button right here that actually will rev your tractor up to wide open. So if you're doing bucket work and you come up using your auto throttle and you need that little bit of extra throttle, really does it ever work nice. So suspension seat with the armrest package, folding steering wheel, tilt wheel. I don't own the rights to that music. I'll go ahead and turn it off. 214 hours. Does have stall guard, auto throttle, auto HDS, and then I can toggle it in and out of the high range. So how this is going to work, you're going to have low, medium, and high. Then you're going to have a low and high of each range. So 2, 4, 6. So 6 total speeds on this tractor. And how this works on this auto throttle, which I'm going to go ahead and start the tractor and show you how it works. It's very cool. So I'm going to go ahead, put tractor in neutral here for a second. But you can see the indicator goes to neutral. So on an auto throttle, the further I push that pedal, okay, in forward or reverse, it revs the tractor up. Now you can shut that off. and you can then just shut it off just like that. Come over here and use your hand throttle, and then your foot throttle will just be used in conventional, you know, forward reverse. So, oh, sorry, Matt. Up here is going to be your cab heat, air, circulator, your AM FM radio, wiper, interior cab light. Very clean tractor. So as I started talking earlier, if you push and depress this little button right here, it's going to rev the tractor up. There again, if you need that little bit extra throttle right before you're loading into a truck or something, it's nice to do that. So I'm going to go ahead, light everything up here for you as we normally do. Show you how everything works. Run the tractor back and forth, go through its paces. I'll put it through all its ranges, as we always do here at Mark Supply, and that way you can see it, everything works. Here we go. So there we are now. I'm forgetting already about the microphone. Trying to get used to it. So there you can see I'm in third range now, and I was just in low. Now I've just toggled up to high using the HDS system. That HDS system works really nice. What's nice is you can go up and change ranges just by simply toggling up and down. By toggling up and down right there at the steering column, and it keeps you from having to select a whole nother range. So you're going to see here, I'm just going to take the back drag, and I'm in low. I'm going a little too fast with my hand. That's my problem here, what I'm doing, but I'm going to go ahead, we're going to switch to medium range, and I'm going to go ahead and bump up to high of the medium. So I'm in second gear of medium range. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start back dragging. You can see now I'm down in low range. So now I've decided, hey, I can use a little more speed. All I got to do is toggle up, and there it is. Tractor takes you right up into that range, which is extremely nice. And very comfortable tractor to run that way. This is a nice size tractor that you can do something with. My opinion, out of the L's, I mean, I like any of the 60 series tractors and these hydros. They just have built a really nice tractor, and in my honest opinion, I think Kubota, they have a lot to be said, in my opinion, on their cab. I had the valve closed there for the draft control for the 3-point. Go ahead and I just engage the 540 PTO. Kubota has a very nice plush cab. It's quiet. Everything inside, they have a very nice vented, you know, cab as far as on all of your glass. You can see up across the front. They have a lot of nice features there. They're in the wintertime or in the summertime. Okay, there's a lot to be said about that too. You do read some stuff, guys, and many brands complain about, oh, my AC's not cold enough. Well, that's probably more than likely the same guy who never cleans out his cabin filters or changes his cabin filters. Or also is the same guy that never takes a blowgun or a leaf blower and takes in and cleans out his condenser out of his radiator. So there's a lot to be said about that stuff. So, you know, there's a lot of good information out there on the internet. Then there's a lot of information, in my opinion, it is truthfully 100% have to take with a grain of salt, because you don't always know the truth behind the operator, the guy making the complaint. So, but that's anything. Another thing I will say on these tractors, the visibility to the bucket, in my opinion, is amazing. One other nice thing I've noticed with these tractors, grading with them, I really do like to grade with them. I can see the front corners, or I say the front corners, the back corners of the bucket really nice. And something else, you have really good visibility of the heel of your bucket. So that's cool. We're doing a lot of work with the heel of your bucket a lot of times. It's great. Like right there, I'm using my cutting edge, but that is one nice, real nice thing about these tractors. You have a lot of good visibility. The other nice thing there, you have 2-pin skid loader quick attach. There I bumped myself into high range. 2-pin skid loader quick attach, put pallet forks on. You can do a lot of other stuff with this tractor that way. It's big enough, you know, put a bale spear on it. You can be loading round bales with them. Rear view mirror kit inside also, along with the outside. See there, I'm opening little side windows. Just catch that on the other side. You can see all that works. The other big thing is, look here, you have this nice big back window there that opens up. So, you know, a lot of nice options in these L-Series tractors. Again, this is their limited edition. Very, very, very nice tractor. If you're looking for something like this, 214.9 hours. Again, we did do a full service. Horn, turn signals, AM, FM radio. I don't have the radio on. I don't want to get in any trouble for not having rights to music or whatever. Don't forget, up here is that nice little button. Rev the tractor up whenever you're running your loader. It does have the cool little spinner knob from Kubota. All ducted heat system, lockable doors. Again, suspension seat armrest. Just a very, very clean tractor. Give us some time here till Matt and I get kind of broke in, so to speak, on our new stuff we're using here. Halfway through the video, Matt, I remembered that I had a microphone. So we'll get used to it. We're kind of making it work. It's brought us a lot better content so far. A lot of people have commented. Thanks. I appreciate the comments from a lot of guys on a lot of these videos. So if you are looking for a very nice tractor, please understand this tractor still has powertrain warranty. It has been serviced. It is ready to go to work. It is extremely, extremely clean tractor. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. You know, L3560 limited edition with an LA805 quick attach loader with skid steer quick attach, R4 tires, cab heat air, AM FM radio, 540 PTO, top link is with it. Tractor is set up and ready to go to work. So if you have any questions, again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.